Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Bakal pat. Bapinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kipulat kelapelong yang jing toket. Hakabai day, baka jing kena belapan sapriang. Hakaransan sosial media, persyai wayu samla, basa anong ba syilong. Wala kam shimladan kanu-kanu ke jing ujor, nakilanon. Kadur jong ubrio belasya kena, kala sapriang baha haransan sosial media baper-baper. Lengkat ki jing kena, bawla liak bijot, iki babun ki samla kentai. Hakis nem ki belalet no. Hakadur belapan sapriang, lakam, bagi katu kat ningot kilanon, kila sya barnyam, pan pen sapriang iki video shimat jongki. Kawai ni ki jing tho, ki bela sapriang ha social media, la kena ru, baka wai ni kilanon, kala armet, baka la kentu iki pajba, pan pen sapriang yang ni ke jingja, kenang man penyo, ya ka hok jongki wipat, ki belangat hakani ek apat. Uspetanan of Police ke East Khasil subah Vivek Siem. Ulaong, hakan riu terik naitung arja pan riu, bagi pulit kelayo jing tip, syapang kanie. Pat menta, kidang pelong ya jing toket ke babanya. USP ulai tu bagi pulit kelayo ru ya kedur. Jong ubasya keno, ha social media, henry haduk menta, ka kentai ke bapan sapriang ya kedur. Kampat wan satya syakmat, pan ujo dak ejahar.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.